Alright guys, so welcome to my crib. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a room tour for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so let's get started with the video. Alright, so first thing when you walk into the door on your left, I have this cute photo grid walls, and I put up some Polaroid pictures and some cute little decorations. Now after the photo grid, I have my closet, and I have some cute little rainbows hung over it. It's like a rainbow pom-pom decoration that's hanging over my closet. Now onto the next one, next to my closet. This is the left side of my bed. I have these banners here, and it has the sun and the moon with a girl on it, and I think they're really pretty, and the colors are really pretty as well. The left side of my bed, I have my nightstand with some cute decor on it. Alright, so next is my bed, and I have this cute set from Kate Spade. Then on top of my bed, I have these 3 picture frames. It has the moon, the sun, and like a rainbow design to it. Then on top of those frames, I have these 2 floating plants, and in the middle I have a nice hanging like gold and rose gold, and it kind of looks like moons. Now to the right side of my bed, I have this cute black banner that matches the other banner, and it has a moon and a girl on it. Then I just have my nightstand with some cute decor. And then on this wall in between my windows, I call it my wood wall. So it just has a bunch of cute little wooden decor on it. Okay, now over here is my desk. I just have some cute picture frames, these little wooden circles that I painted. Then I have some 2 shelves with my Polaroid, a plant, and some more plants and some cute little decorations. And then down to my actual desk, I just have my laptop. I have a little light, and then I have a radio. So next to my desk, I have my dresser where I keep most of my clothes. I have a TV on the dresser. I have this little wooden box with like fish carved into it. And then next to that, I just have a cute little green candle. So next to my dresser, this is to the right of the door when you walk in, I have my mirror, and I just decorated it with some leaves on the border. Alright guys, so that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour, and if you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more videos like this. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!